Man, it wasn't that cool. I see mountain goats right next to Bridal Veil Falls. Of course, that's right here in Spearfish Canyon. Came over here to see what we can see. So I just stopped by at Bridal Veil Falls and just happened to see mountain goats there. I've never seen mountain goats in Spearfish Canyon before. I knew they were here, but just never saw them till today. I've seen them down along Needles Highway, down the southern part of the Black Hills. But right now I'm at the Long Valley picnic area. Just had a bite to eat. I'm all finished now. I'm sitting here just relaxing, enjoying the moment. Yeah, it's fun to sit here and just watch the people ride by. You know, once in a while you get lines of bikes going by. They're right next to the road. But anyways, I also plan on going to see Spearfish Falls and Rough Lock Falls. I figured I may as well do that this afternoon. So. But that's... Lots of traffic today, but that's not the main reason why I came to Spearfish Canyon today. Yeah, the main reason, well, it's something I'm going to do in just a moment here, so. Yes, this is it. That's the reason why I came to Spearfish Canyon. To soak my feet. And man, is it cold. When I say it's cold, man alive. Oh, wow. Ice cold. Oh. A nice beautiful view here too. Spearfish Creek. Flowing pretty good. And the picnic table where I was eating is just right up there, so nice slow walk, nice short walk. Yeah, there we go. That's why I came here, just to soak my feet. I'm just doing go look at the waterfalls just for the fun of it. But I'm going to take and finish soaking my feet here for a little bit while longer and continue on down the canyon. So talk to you in a little bit. Rough Lock Falls is up next. Kind of a cloudy, overcast day here today. Huh. Now let's head down to the falls. Yeah, I came to Spearfish Canyon only to soak my feet. But I got to make a video of something, so couldn't have the whole thing of me just soaking my feet. So you gotta go take a look at some waterfalls. Okay, let's head down below and take a look at it from there. This is actually a better view than the other side. But it's down there where I'm headed. Jurassic. Where's the dinosaurs? They did a really beautiful job here restoring this place. Restoration. Okay, I'm heading on. Well, I'm here, so what the hey. Man, I cannot believe how many people are here. A lot of people, it seems like, more than other years. Spearfish Falls is right over there. Take a look at the creek from here first. And I cannot believe how many people there are. I missed the days when it was just me. God, I don't understand. Okay, let's go take a look at the falls. Spearfish Falls. Alright, I am editing today's video, the current video right now, and I'm going to do a concluding clip. It's going to wrap it up for this one. Today I kind of wanted it to be more of a laid back day, so the only thing I had actually wanted to do was just go to Spearfish Canyon and soak my feet. Just that. And so I decided to go take a look at you know, Rough Lock Falls and Spearfish Falls, just, you know, because I was there. And of course I enjoyed the ride too, but I didn't do any camera work. I didn't mount the cameras on the bike or anything. It was just the ride there and through the canyon and back again. So, but as far as tomorrow, I haven't actually decided what I'm going to do yet, but I got these books here, you know, their handout things, Black Hills and information and all that stuff, visiting and stuff. I'm gonna page through that. Maybe I can find something, and hopefully something that you know, cheap or free, you know, and just something cool. But anyways, thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for tomorrow's video.